iPhones are more secure and a better investment for the US economy. iPhones are more secure than Android smartphones because of Apple's commitment to security, regular software updates, and closed-source operating system. Android smartphones are more vulnerable to attack because they are open-source and fragmented. Investing in iPhones and TSMC is a good way to support the US economy. Apple is a US company that employs thousands of Americans, and TSMC is a major supplier to US companies. Here are some specific reasons why iPhones are more secure. Secure Enclave. The Secure Enclave is a dedicated chip on iPhones that stores sensitive data, such as passwords, biometric data, and credit card information. The Secure Enclave is isolated from the rest of the operating system, which makes it very difficult for hackers to access it. Sandboxing. Sandboxing is a security measure that prevents apps from accessing each other's data. This means that if one app is compromised, the other apps on the device will not be affected. Software updates. Apple regularly releases software updates to patch vulnerabilities in iOS. These updates are important for keeping iPhones secure. Closed-source operating system. iOS is a closed-source operating system, which means that Apple has more control over the security of its devices. Android, on the other hand, is an open-source operating system, which means that it is more vulnerable to attack. Here are some specific reasons why investing in iPhones and TSMC is a good way to support the US economy. Apple is a US company that employs thousands of Americans. Apple spends money on research and development in the US, which helps to create new jobs and boost the US economy. TSMC is a major supplier to US companies, such as Apple. TSMC spends money on research and development in the US. Conclusion. iPhones are more secure than Android smartphones, and investing in iPhones and TSMC is a good way to support the US economy. Please be mindful of the fact that I am not an expert or finance or investment professional. I highly recommend consulting a licensed financial advisor before making any decisions that could affect your financial future. This is just a topic I am passionate about. Heck, I am not even a real YouTuber yet, I am still a hobbyist. So please do your due diligence and validate all information you are given. You are the ultimate reason you fail or succeed. So, if you like this type of filler content, please subscribe and comment so I know to put more into it. Please have a beautiful day, and thank you for watching. CJ.